In this video, we will show you how to customize the controls on your Garmin Forerunner 165 series smartwatch. Controls allow you to quickly access many of the commonly used tools, such as Assistance, Find My Phone, Garmin Pay Wallet, and more. To access the controls on your watch, press and hold the light button in the upper left. Here you can see the default controls options. Press and hold the up button to access the controls menu. To add a new control, use the Start/Stop button to select Add Controls. Use the up or down buttons to scroll through the list of options and select the controls you would like to add. Press the back button 2 times to get back to your controls list. Press the up or down buttons to scroll through your controls. If you would like to change the order of the controls, press and hold the up button. Then scroll down and select Reorder Controls. Select the control you would like to reorder using the Start/Stop button. Then use the up or down buttons to change its position in the list. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm the position change. Finally, press the back button 2 times to get back to your controls list. If you would like to remove an option from your controls, press and hold the up button. Then scroll down and select Remove Controls. Use the up or down buttons to scroll through the controls and press the Start/Stop button to remove a control. When you're done removing controls, press the back button 2 times to get back to the controls list. You can now customize the controls on your Forerunner 165 series smartwatch. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.